The one thing we do know though is that the Pfizer vaccine is safe for those who are immunocompromised. But if you have been vaccinated, and do go and get vaccinated when you can, but if you have been vaccinated, act like you haven't been. Hi again, it's Dr. Emily Isham from Rare Cancers Australia, here to talk to you in the rare cancers community about whether the vaccines are safe for those who are immunocompromised or immunosuppressed, which is particularly relevant to our community. So really important to know this, because sometimes immunocompromised people with a dampened immune system can be incubators, for want of a better word, for viruses to mutate and produce new variants. So there was a large study done in the US amongst solid organ transplant patients, and the outcome was that the vaccine is safe and there were no serious adverse events reported at all. So that's really reassuring. The thing about being vaccinated when you're immunocompromised though is that it's less likely to produce as good an immune response as it would amongst people who are not immunocompromised. The scientists are currently looking at whether it's necessary for people who are immunocompromised to get a booster, a third booster. But that is still pending. The outcome of that is still pending. The one thing we do know though is that the Pfizer vaccine is safe for those who are immunocompromised. But if you have been vaccinated, and do go and get vaccinated when you can, but if you have been vaccinated, act like you haven't been. So continue with all the usual precautions of hand washing, staying home when you're sick, staying away from other people who are sick, wearing a mask, and physical distancing where possible. So I hope that's helpful. When you have been told that you are eligible for a Pfizer vaccine, go and get it right away, being reassured that it's safe. But do try and continue with the usual precautions. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you next time.